Yes, what's up, guys? So today I wanted to talk about our website and especially our blog page, because on our website the coming year we will be posting a lot of free content on our website. We do offer some paid services like coaching and education, but on the blog section you will find some very in-depth blogs about certain trading topics. For example, this one, how to become a consistently profitable trader. We basically explain the steps you need to take to become a consistently profitable trader. We describe certain trading methods. We describe what an edge is, how to get an edge, how long it takes to become a profitable trader, and how you can cut down the time of your learning curve. And we also recently made a blog about risk management and how you can effectively manage risk. So not just like every educator is telling you to risk 2% a trade, but very in-depth about risk management and how to create a risk plan to fit your goals, to increase your performance, to decrease your drawdowns, etc. So around every 2 weeks there will be a new blog on the website, and I think these are really valuable. So keep an eye on our website because there is more to come. All right, speak to you guys next time.